Hello guys, we are working on the 2019 Kia Forte 2.0 GDI engine. So this phaser is failed because of the pin which is supposed to be here. So the pin is stuck right here in the cam. And we are in the process to get this pin out because we don't want to replace whole cam. Stay tuned. Okay guys, the problem was the pin was stuck in the cam, and of course nobody wants to replace whole cam, and I just find out the method that works actually. Look, I took small screwdriver, I took the welding machine, I welded on, and it actually was pretty stuck inside. I took the pliers, the channel locks, and I used just a hammer, just like that. I was able to get it out this way, and as you see, here is the pin. Look, here is the pin, and it's out, and we have cam, all good. We need just this clean it up a little bit. There's one little thing, but other than that, it's really good. So this is good, great method, life hack. If you're working on the 2.0 GDI engine and replacing these phasers, subscribe to the channel, comment and like. See you in the next video.